have 11,000 organizations. We have 12,000 universities. We are accepted in 140 plus countries. We are accepted in 160 plus countries. Also, IELTS is longer than TOEFL. Stop, you both are correct. Obviously, it's just about what is best for you. So let's discuss in detail. For ages, students have fought with each other over this topic. IELTS versus TOEFL has created more divide than Edward versus Jacob. This one's for you Twilight fans. Although, I'm not a Twilight fan. Never, no. But which one is better or easier to clear? Since you have clicked on this link, let me share that secret with you. If you're planning to study or work in an English-speaking country, you've probably come across two major tests, the TOEFL and the IELTS. But how do you decide which one is best for you? Let's break it down. But before moving forward, if you wish to accomplish your study abroad aspirations, please make sure to follow us on YouTube and also don't forget to follow us on our social media handles. Links are given in the description below. First, let's look at the TOEFL, or Test of English as a Foreign Language. This test is primarily favored by American institutions. It's an internet-based test, or IBT, meaning you'll take it online. The TOEFL focuses heavily on academic English. So, if you're aiming for a university in the USA, this might be your go-to choice. Now, the IELTS, or International English Language Testing System, is more popular in the UK and Australia. It comes in two versions, academic and general training. If you're looking to study, you'd want the academic version, while the general training is for those looking to work or migrate. So, what is the structure like? The TOEFL consists of 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. It's all done in one sitting, and the speaking section is recorded, which can be a bit daunting for some, right? On the flip side, the IELTS also has 4 sections, but you'll take the listening, reading, and writing parts in one sitting, while the speaking test happens separately, often in a face-to-face interview format, just like Edward and Jacob. Why did I say that again? Now, let's talk about scoring. The TOEFL is scored out of 120 with each section worth 30 points. The IELTS uses a band system from 1 to 9 with half band scores in between. This means the IELTS can give you a more nuanced understanding of your proficiency. When it comes to preparation, think about your strengths. If you're comfortable with technology and prefer a structured test, TOEFL might suit you better. However, if you thrive in interpersonal situations and can handle face-to-face interactions, you might find the IELTS more appealing. Now, let's discuss your goals. Are you targeting a specific country? Different institutions might have preferences. Research your prospective schools or employers to see which test they accept. It's essential to choose the one that aligns with your plans. Lastly, consider your personal learning style. If you enjoy speaking with people and can handle spontaneous questions, IELTS could be your best bet. But if you prefer more controlled environment with a focus on reading and writing, TOEFL might be the way to go. In conclusion, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Both TOEFL and IELTS have their strengths and cater to different needs. Assess your goals, your strengths, and your requirements of the institutions you're interested in. I told you, both are correct. Whichever test you choose, remember that preparation is key. Good luck on your journey and may you achieve the scores you need to reach your dreams. This is Prithvi signing off, and again, I'm not a Twilight fan, okay? Or am I?